Hello, my name's Andy and welcome to the garage. Hello and welcome back to another Christmas video. Now this video, I'm just going to look at the commercial vehicles I've got put to one side to restore in 2026. Now, if I just restored all these, this would be more than a year's work. So if you can help me out, tell me which ones you'd like to see in preference to any others. And I'll see what I can do. I'll get them up to the front of the queue. So here we have. Now I've got this and the milk wagon somewhere. Corgi Major. Nice little mobile gas tanker. I did the decals earlier in the year for this. I've never got round to doing it. But that's one on my list to do. If you want to see it, just write it straight away in the comments. Make as many comments as you want, because I'm not sure how I'd choose between these. Now this is a nice little Corgi again, ERF model 64, and this is the tipper truck version. As you can see, it's lost its tyres, etc. Now I'm not doing the usual video of looking at them, saying the glass is broke, etc. We're just going to go through them. We might have a little look at some of them, and it's a chance for you to say what you'd like to see done. This was a recent purchase, I think. It's the Bedford tipper, long wheelbase, and I'm not sure, budgie. It's a budgie, it's just there. Now it's all intact apart from the tyres. Glass looks pretty good. Bumpers are there, so that'd be nice. Put that up there. I've got two Corgi, pretty sure, yeah, Corgi Major Priestman cranes. Parts one if needed. This one seems to have everything. So let me know if you'd like me to do a bit of plant. I've been doing decals for Martin Dare for his plant collection, but I'll do mine back to original. We won't be stealing his idea. Now you saw this a while ago. I know I got this in Hampshire on holiday. It's another Corgi Major. It's a road construction maker, and there's just a crack there. That's all that's wrong with that, I think. I've got another one of these cabs somewhere, so that could get done. This was a purchase from last week at Lincoln Toy Fair. It's Dinky Toys, Dinky Super Toys, 10-ton army truck. We can put that back to original, and I'm sure I've got a trailer to go with it. So that's one of my favourites to do, actually, straight away. Put that to one side. We've got this little construction site tipper truck. Be nice to do. Dinky Super Toys again. Everything's there on it. It's quite corroded, but a nice one to do. So shuffle that over there with a plant. Then we've got a Dinky Toys, what is it, 25R Carno. I'm not sure what truck it is. Somebody can tell me, but that'd be a nice one to do. And some of these bigger ones, they won't get done till summer, because it is a bit difficult on the paint front at the moment with the humidity, and it's not cold, but it affects the paint. We saw this recently, a little Express Dairy Dinky Toys electric van, NCB Express Dairies. That would be nice to do, and you saw I got some milk bottle crates for that as well. And I'm sure I had one of these as a kid, Daft Truck, and it may have had one or two tractors on the back. I could do something with that. It's just tatty, it's overpainted. Then we've got this big one here. Got some cracked glass. I think it's a Ford. Got Majorette, made in France, and it's a big tipper, isn't it? There we go. Now it's just badly scratched. I could live with the scratches on there, to be honest. That's another one. Just move a couple of things out of the way here because we're off to get pretty full. Got another army truck. Dinky's Big Bedford. This one's painted in army colours. Could do that back to civilian. No glass. And all these are commercials, remember. Now this is a nice one. Dinky Toys Bedford. With an articulated trailer, you might say. Importantly, it's got the headlights. I repaired some of those earlier this year. And I've got a trailer that matches this somewhere as well. So let me know if you want to see that one done. Then we've got this little Corgi Bedford S-Type. I'm sure I've got the trailer for that, so if you know the trailer goes with that, but it actually looks a bit too good. What I could do with these is just do a light recommissioning, perhaps, as a sort of filler video. Now we've just got the base for that. I'm sure we'll have the rest of it somewhere. We'll put that to one side for now. I'd already got a better cab for that. I think they're exactly the same. So I'd been doing a bit of work. If not, I can just take the glass out of that because that's got the light, that hasn't got the light. That's got the headlights, that hasn't got the headlights. So there's a good one from 2 there. Now I haven't done much on the farm front. We've got ourselves an intact tractor there with the guy on it, so that'd be nice to do. I didn't pay £20 for it, and it's Dinky Toys. So I'm classing tractors as commercial. Now this one was given to me by a friend of the channel, Tom. I've been doing custom decals for Tom, fairground decals, and I can say they've not been easy, but he's well chuffed. That's the good news. And the better news is he sent me a few of these Foden Dinky Super Toys. Now he's retired this, or somebody has, but he could do with a lick of paint. So I'd like to do that. Got this Beat fire engine. It's bent in at the sides. Dinky Toys. Base needs a good hammering out, basically. It's missing its ladder, but if you remember last video, I got what I hope is a replacement ladder for this for £1. Maybe I should have put that in the emergency vehicles video. I've got a few of these cabs and trailers just in there to make one good one, really. And what we've got here, a little Bedford van, is it? It's a Bedford van, is it CA? Not sure, that'd be nice to do. I'm not sure what it was originally. A white decal there. Now I think this was in the constructor set by Corgi, 3/4 ton chassis, and it had different backs to it. If I could get them off. I'm sure they had different backs. And I've got enough cabs now to do all 4 backs. One was a milk wagon, I've got the milkman as well. So that'd form a series of maybe 2 videos, do 2 at a time. Or 1 long video. Got another little ERF. Bit damaged there. Now this was my most popular video last year. The ERF, yellow cab, blue trailer. That went down really well. That got the most views, both as a short and in long form. And we've got a little carrier, Corgi Carrier Bantam. Now there is one of these in progress at the moment. It's just waiting to go into paint. So not this one, but the other one will get done. Because it's in a bit better nick than that one. It's got the sliding door basically. Then the little what's this, refuse truck. ERF again, doesn't say what it is, but it's got everything on it, so it might get done. If you want to see it done, missing decal, little tax discs there, look, who remembers those? It's like there's a bit missing there, oh no, that's just the rivet end. Well, there should have been a winder. That would be nice to do and free it up. Another one of those cabs. And this is by no means a complete selection of what could be done. It's huge. Now I did want to do this one this year. Time got the better of me. It's all there. It'd be really nice to do, and it's a Matchbox Plymouth Trail Duster from 1978. That'd be nice to do as well. So let me know if you want to see that one. Now you've seen this before. I think I've had this since last year, and I was off to let's flick the bonnet up. Big engine in there. I think it's a Mack truck, and I was off to have this as a sort of fantasy Mack truck by Corgi Major, Mad Max sort of vehicle, and that's still potentially on the cards. Got another ERF by Corgi, flatbed this time, obviously overpainted, 44G. We could do a couple of those in different colours, I suppose. We've got the little refuse truck. Everything's there again. I like to try and get everything there. It's not always possible. The winder works. We've got both headlights, and it's dinky toys. Tyres look reasonable. It may have been retired, but that'd be nice to do as well. Let's wind it back down. There we go. Storage. Now, one of my frequently watched videos at the moment is of the Land Rover I did in orange, and here's another Land Rover. It's all intact. It looks pretty good to me, this one. Dinky toys, 109 wheelbase Land Rover, etc. A later one, plastic wheels. Don't know if that's an original sticker or not. But that missing its hook, aftermarket sort of plastic wire, I'm guessing. So let me know if you'd like to see another Land Rover next year. And we've got tipper, Foden tipper. Hopefully you've just seen a Foden restoration dumper truck. So that could go in the plant section. I haven't seen the cab for this, but I know I've got it, so we'll put that there. We've got that cab somewhere. Got another little dinky toys, but this time it's the tipper version. That'd be nice to do, obviously quite short, Bedford tipper. Got another one of those cabs. We've got a Unimog by Matchbox Finch, yeah. And why I put this in is I keep seeing them in the area for the electricity board, National Grid. We've got the big dinky tractor unit with the headless driver as an optional extra, heavy tractor. Now I've been practicing making my own track, so I could do that. We could make him a head, can't have it going around headless. Could be part of a Scooby-Doo set, that. I did put this Land Rover in, but to be quite honest, it's too good. So we can put that to one side. Got a little FC 150 Jeep Corgi. There's a few of those kicking around. They did various variants. And what I have got is this big dinky toys. I haven't got the cab out with me at the moment, because what I've been looking for are these. I need 3, I need 6. I've got 1. So if anybody's got any of those spare, you want to do a trade or a donation, let me know. I've got the cab somewhere. The cab's in better condition, but I've been collecting these for spare parts, and these are a chunky bit of metal, to be quite honest. We'll put those to one side. We've got a couple of recovery trucks. We've got another Land Rover, a bit different to the one we saw a minute or two ago. Look, different hook mechanism, etc. That looks an older version, had the rubber tyres, not the plastic. We've got a couple of these somewhere. This one's lost its glass, it's not inside. It'd be nice to do a tow truck of some variant. Got this little dinky chipped and play one, post office telephones. I did buy a little ladder. Not sure how that ladder's fixed there or if it's just part of the moulding. And finally in the commercials we got this big boy. Matchbox K21 Ford Y series. It's flatbed with folding sides. Look, all the sides are there, which is great. It's a bit bent. Its beacons are shot, but the glass looks good, and everything else is. So they're the commercials that I've got in a box to do next year. So let me know which ones you'd like to see, and we'll try and get them straight into the queue. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye for now.